You already know what you need to do. You've known for months, maybe years, and yet here you are, again. Watching, scrolling, waiting for some sign that today will be different. Be honest, it won't be. Not unless something changes right now, in the next few minutes. So ask yourself, how many versions of yourself have you already buried? This isn't a motivational video. I'm not going to tell you to believe in yourself or chase your dreams. What I'm going to do is hold a mirror up and show you exactly what's happening inside your mind. Why you keep failing, why you keep starting over, and why discipline feels impossible to you when it shouldn't. This is going to be uncomfortable. Good. Uncomfortable is where change actually lives. Let's talk about your morning. Your alarm goes off. You had a plan. You were going to wake up, move, work, build. Instead, you hit snooze. Then you pick up your phone. 10 minutes becomes 40. 40 becomes an hour. And just like that, the best part of your day is gone. You tell yourself you'll start later. Later becomes evening. Evening becomes night. Night becomes I'll do it tomorrow. And tomorrow, you do the exact same thing. Think about that. Not as a bad day, as your life. Because that's what it is. A collection of days exactly like this one. You're not unlucky. You're not broken. You're just undisciplined. And deep down, you already know this. Here's what nobody talks about. Every time you break a promise to yourself, something dies inside you. Not dramatically, quietly, slowly. Your self-trust erodes. Your confidence shrinks. And you start to believe, without even realizing it, that you are someone who doesn't follow through. That belief becomes your identity. And once it becomes your identity, every new goal you set feels fake. Because somewhere inside, a voice whispers, you won't do this either. You've heard that voice, haven't you? That's not weakness. That's damage. Years of small betrayals against yourself, stacked on top of each other. And the worst part, the world didn't do this to you. You did this to yourself. So what do you actually do? Not tomorrow. Not Monday, right now, after this video ends. First, understand this. Discipline is not a feeling. It is never going to feel good at the start. You are never going to wake up craving the hard thing. That feeling you're waiting for, that perfect motivation, it is not coming. You move first. The feeling follows, always in that order. Never the other way around. So you stop waiting, and you start building the one thing that changes everything. A non-negotiable standard, not a goal, not a vision board. A standard, something you do every single day, regardless of mood, energy, or circumstance. No negotiation, no exceptions. No, I'll skip today just this once. Because just this once is the lie that has cost you everything. Start with 1 hour, every day, completely protected. No phone, no noise, no excuses. Just you and the work that actually matters. 1 hour. Unbreakable. That is where your new identity begins. Here is the structure that actually works. Every night, before you sleep, write down the 3 most important things you must do tomorrow. Not 10 things. 3. The ones that, if completed, make the day a victory. Wake up and do the hardest one first. Before your brain has time to negotiate. Before the world gets loud. Before comfort seduces you back into smallness. Remove the decision. That's the secret nobody tells you. Discipline collapses under the weight of too many choices, so you eliminate them. Same wake time every day, same first action, same protected work block. You are not relying on willpower. Willpower is a myth. You are building a system so tight that doing the work becomes easier than avoiding it. And here's what happens inside that system. Small wins stack. Each completed task rebuilds a piece of the self-trust you destroyed. Each kept promise tells your brain this person follows through. And slowly, that voice that whispered, "You won't do this either," goes silent. You replace it with evidence, real evidence. Built one day at a time. Stop trying to be motivated. Start trying to be someone. The most disciplined people on earth are not running on inspiration. They are running on identity. They have decided, not hoped, not wished, decided who they are. And they protect that identity like their life depends on it, because it does. You need to make that decision right now. Not, "I want to be disciplined." That's weak. That's a wish. Say instead, I am someone who does not quit. I am someone who does the work. I am someone who keeps their word, especially to themselves. Say it until you believe it, then act like it until it's true. Because here's what nobody tells you about discipline. It's not about grinding yourself into the ground. It's about becoming so clear on who you are that anything less becomes unacceptable to you. Discomfort stops being a signal to retreat. It becomes proof you're moving in the right direction. You stop running from hard. Let's stop pretending this is about time. You have time. You've always had time. You watched hours of content this week. You scrolled until your eyes burned. You had time for everything that felt good and no time for everything that mattered. That's not a schedule problem. That's a values problem. You don't actually believe, not deeply, not physically, that your future is worth protecting right now, in this moment, when comfort is one click away. And that's the crisis nobody wants to name. You don't need more hours. You need to become someone who uses them. Here's why you keep failing. And it's not what you think. Your brain is not designed for discipline. It's designed for survival, for comfort, for the path of least resistance. Every time you sit down to do hard work, your brain sounds an alarm. This is unnecessary. This is painful. Stop, and you listen every single time. But here's what's really happening. You're not lazy. You're addicted to ease, addicted to the feeling of almost trying without the pain of actually committing. You get just enough dopamine from planning, from thinking about the future version of you, from watching someone else succeed, but thinking about the work, that's not the work. Stop lying to yourself. Your phone is not a distraction. It's a pacifier. Every notification, every scroll, every video that leads to another video, it's all designed by billion-dollar companies to do one thing: keep you sedated, and it's working. You reach for your phone when a task feels hard, when silence feels uncomfortable, when your own thoughts start getting too loud, because your thoughts tell you the truth, and the truth that you're wasting your potential is the one thing you can't face sober. So you numb it again and again. Feel that, because that cycle, that exact loop, is what's been stealing years from your life, not your circumstances, not your past. That loop. Here's the deepest wound. You have two people living inside you. One who dreams, who plans, who lies awake at night imagining the life they could build, and one who wakes up every morning and chooses comfort over that dream every single day. And those two people are tearing you apart. That tension you feel, that low-level anxiety that never fully goes away, that restlessness even when you're relaxing, that's the cost of living in conflict with yourself. You know who you could be. You see it clearly. But you keep choosing who you are right now, and every day that gap widens. The shame deepens. The excuses get more sophisticated, and the dream gets quieter, until one day it stops speaking altogether. You already know someone like that. Someone who gave up, someone who settled. You swore you'd never become them. Look at this week. Look honestly. Are you sure? You start chasing it. That is the shift. That is everything. One day, and it comes faster than you think, you will look back at this exact moment, and you will remember that you had a choice to close this video and go back to the same loop, the same days, the same slow erosion of everything you could have been, or to decide quietly, seriously, permanently, that you are done living below yourself. No audience, no applause, just you and a decision made in private. Those are the decisions that change lives. The world will not hand you discipline. It will not reward you for almost trying. It will not care about your potential, but you will. One day, you will care deeply. And the only question is whether that day comes early enough to matter. That day can be today, but only if you choose it. Here is your challenge. For the next 7 days, 1 hour, every single day, protected, non-negotiable, on the one thing that actually matters to your future. No phone, no distractions, no skipping. 7 days, that's all. If you complete it, you will feel something you haven't felt in a long time. Respect for yourself. And if you're serious, drop one word in the comments right now, starting, not tomorrow, right now, before you close this. because the person who types that word and means it is already different from the person who opened this video. Be that person. The work is waiting.